We don't normally tend to be excited when we notice our first white hairs, even though they are accepted nowadays and many people prefer to keep their natural hair color. Those first few strands are still considered to be a nuisance. Young people try different ways to hide their changing hair color. But why does our hair turn white? Just like our skin, our hair gets its color from a pigment called melanin. As we get older, our body naturally loses its ability to produce this pigment, and the white hairs appear whether we want them to or not. The melanocyte activity decreases with age, and our bodies naturally stop producing melanin. Furthermore, other factors such as genetic predisposition, bad nutrition, hormonal fluctuations, smoking, pollution, stress, wrong use of hair products, and certain diseases such as chronic colds, sinus infections, and thyroid disturbances can also affect this problem. According to scientists, each hair follicle has a melanin clock that slows down the melanin production, causing your hair to lose its color. Instead of trying to cover up your hair with artificial dyes, try this natural remedy that only has 2 ingredients. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is great for your scalp since its vitamins have antioxidant power and can calm irritations. Furthermore, aloe vera gel reduces the oil in your hair and repairs any damage caused by hair products. Vitamin E. Some researchers defend the idea that the aging process is tied to oxidative stress. Vitamin E plays an important role because it protects you from free radicals, which cause you lots of problems. Furthermore, it promotes the hair strand's healthy growth. Here's how to make it. Put 2 teaspoons of aloe vera in a bowl. Add the contents of a vitamin E capsule to the gel. Mix the ingredients evenly. Massage the mixture into your scalp and let it work all night. Wash your hair when you wake up. In order to see results and restore your hair's pigmentation, you should do this once or twice a day, every day. Try it out and tell us how it went. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.